Okay, so today we're going to learn about two numbers, number 1 and number 2. Here are a couple of vocabulary words we're going to learn today, okay? Match. That's when we make a line from one object to another, okay? And then a set. So right here, let me see if I can share. Won't let me share. No pueden ver my cursor. Que sí, señora Nunes. Oh, you can see my cursor? Okay, good. Okay, so a set is any group. Okay, so right here, this is a set, this is a set, this is a set. Okay, because they're all together. Okay, this is a set of 2, this is a set of 3. So we're going to match them, and how we would match them is the same sets. Okay, so right here is one bird. Now we got to find the one flower that is a match. And right below it is its match. So to make it, we would have to pair it together, making a line, okay? Now, here's 2 birdies and 2 flowers. So these are a match. So they belong together because they're the same, okay? And then this set right here, set of 3 birds and set of 3 flowers are a match because they are the same. See, there's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So they are a match because they have 3 in each set, okay? So those are kind of vocabulary we're learning today that we have to learn in math, okay? Now I'm gonna go here to lesson 1. Now everybody got a workbook, a Go Math workbook. I want everybody to take that out right now and take out a pencil. I'm gonna count to 20 that everybody get their pencil and their workbook together, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, time is up. So everybody should have their Go Math workbook where they have all their math, and everybody needs to turn to page 13 where you see a purple crayon and orange crayons, okay? So when you're at this page, this is the page that we're gonna work together, okay? You'll need a pencil and your crayons, okay? You need the color red. Right, once you get that ready, we will begin. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and begin reading the directions so we know what to do, okay? So it says here, how can you show and count 1 and 2 with objects? So this is an object and these are objects. So how can we show a 1 and 2? Well, how we're gonna show today is we're gonna color in a circle to make it look like a counter to show how many objects there is, okay? And this is right here, little boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares is where we're gonna draw them in, okay? This is the counter of 5 frame, okay? The counters are gonna go inside of each frame. So, right now, we're gonna look at the directions. And right here, number 1, it says, we're gonna color in the counter in the 5 frame to show how many objects there is, okay? So right here, how many crayons is there? Well, let's count them. And remember, when you count, you're gonna touch it. So you make sure you're counting it correctly. Ready? Here we go. Let's count together. 1. So how many do we have? We have 1. So right in here, we're gonna draw a red circle to show that there is only one crayon, okay? Now, let's go down here. How many objects are there? How many crayons are there? How many crayons? Remember, we have to touch it to make sure we're counting that correctly. So now we're gonna count them. So count it with me. Here we go. 1, 2. So there's 2 objects, 2 crayons. So now we're gonna draw to show 2 objects. So we're gonna draw 2 circles so we can show those are our little counters. So we're gonna draw 1 circle here and then another circle here because there are 2 crayons. So we need to draw 2 circles in this 5 frame, okay? I wish it would work. Okay, here we go. So now here, the next page is page 14. That's where I want you to turn to. Senora Inez, I think you have the ability to do that for me. Can you please draw those in because you are the host, or make me the co-host? Oh, did you make me the host? It's not giving me the ability to draw. And I was trying, and it won't let me draw at all. See, maybe, no, it won't let me draw. Maybe you can you draw the number 1 on page 14? Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing. I'm trying to get me to be able to draw that for you because I know it's really hard not to see. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, I'm gonna make, where are you, Senora Nunez? I'm gonna make you the co-host. And it's just not letting me, I don't know why it's not giving me options to draw on your scene.